Welcome, children. Today in EVS 1, we are going to learn a new topic. The name of the topic is Variety in Food. We buy grains and vegetables from market and prepare different meals. Can you name all the various dishes that we can make using rice? Now, here you can see the different food items which are made by using rice. First one is idli, then dal rice, modak, bhakri, fried rice, and dosas. Did you observe that these various dishes are specific to a particular state? Can you tell why the staple food vary according to states? Now, different states have a major crop production. What causes crop variation? Agriculture is the main occupation of a country. Agriculture is dependent on rainfall, soil variety, water supply, etc. All the above mentioned factors differ from state to state. Hence, every state has a particular crop being produced. The people living in that state naturally consume that particular crop more. Agriculture is the main occupation in all parts of our country. It is mainly dependent on rainfall. The rainfall received in all regions is not the same. In regions of high rainfall, crops such as rice, coconut, ragi, and varai are grown. Wheat, tur, and soybean are grown in regions of moderate rainfall. Java, bajra, and moth beans are grown in regions of low rainfall. To help crops to grow well, good seeds, fertile soil, sufficient sunlight, and water are needed. According to the seasons, a variety of grains, fruits, and vegetables are grown in our country. Just like crops, the availability of fruits varies according to seasons. See, you can see the different fruits which we get in the different seasons: rainy season, winter season, and summer season. Now you can see the various dishes which are made in North India, East India, West India, South India, Central India. The main crop in any region is used to make various dishes in that region. Here you can see the famous food items in Maharashtra and neighboring states. Let us take the example of Maharashtra. What is the major crop produced in Maharashtra? Jawar. So what can you prepare from jawar? Jawar bhakri, jawar papad, jawar ambil dal, jawar dhirde, that is dosa. So the main crop grown in any region is used to make various items in that region. For example, as we have seen that jawar is grown on a large scale in the plateau of Maharashtra. Then hurda, laya, bhakri, gugria, papad, sandge, ambel, dapate, dhirde, etc. are all preparations of jawar enjoyed in that region. In Konkan or the coastal region, rice, coconut, and coconut oil are widely used. In central Maharashtra, jawar, bajra, groundnuts, soybean, sesame, and mustard are more commonly used. Note that this variety in crops is due to the change in climate and soil. The crops grown in a region determine the diet of the people in that region. A region's climate, soil, water, and people's need determine the crops that are grown in that region and also their staple diet. Thank you.